So, a very good morning to all the viewers who have joined with us today. Parul University, along with Nestle India, we are having one very new initiative that we are coming out with. So, Nestle Maggie, in association with Parul University, we are presenting a Nutrition Month special healthy recipe virtual class today, for which we have our expert from Nestle India. I would just like to give you a brief about the expert that we have today. The expert who would be demonstrating the recipes today from Nestle India is Ms. Tejal Shah, who is a cluster head of Nestle India and in charge of on-ground execution across Gujarat and MP, that is Madhya Pradesh. She has a wonderful experience of 18 years with FMCG. Along with that, I feel proud in saying that she also is awarded with best execution, and she is in touch with more than 2 lakh consumers. That is a big number, ma'am. And she is being a part of judging panel of many contests across regions. So we are feeling that it is our pleasure to have you here with us, ma'am, to demonstrate certain very healthy and good recipes, because nowadays it is very much important for us to keep our focus on nutrition, because now it is like after COVID we are so much aware and now want to go ahead with certain recipes or food by which we can definitely understand and create the immunity or improvise the immunity. So that is a great thing that we are demonstrating, and I would be more than happy to learn so many things from you. And I hope that our viewers also would feel it their pleasure that they are having you as the person who would demonstrate today's recipe. Over to you, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you, Ankit. Thank you for those kind words. So very good morning, everyone. Since you all can see me, I cannot see anyone. So, it's my humble request that if you can, just put your love, your good morning, your wishes in the chat box so that I'll have some idea that, yes, you are listening to me, right? Because otherwise it's just monotonous that I am talking and I don't know whether people are there or no. So please do respond, right? So before I start, there are a few things which I just want to have a clarification on. Number one, this program is meant for the purpose of understanding the recipes. So please do not record it and please don't use it otherwise. This is just for the purpose of the recipe sake, right? You will get the recipes which you're going to demonstrate today in the chat box. If you have any questions, any doubts, you can write it in the chat box and I'm sure we'll try and address all your questions and queries, right? So let us start with today's session. So now when we say, we all have come across this COVID-19 and there are many, talks going on that what to eat to increase immunity. So let us understand one thing very clearly, that immunity is something which we already have. So basically we have to try and use all sorts of food. So basically food is something which is from where we get a basic nutrition, right? So when I say nutrition is something which is from the basic food what we eat. So we normally get all the nutrition available from the food, right? So, there's a classic saying is you become what you eat. And I completely agree with that. And I'm sure knowing this scenario, the current world, it's all about, what you eat, how you eat, that matters a lot. I'm sure as a, teenager or as a student, we have a lot of things in our mind as in, this is something good for the taste, but I don't know about whether it is benefit to the system, whether it is nutritious, So basically before starting with this program, a balanced diet, so basically try and incorporate balancing in all your meals, whether it is a breakfast, whether it is lunch or mid-meal, snacks or dinner. So now when I say balanced meal, so balanced meal is basically a meal where you have all your food groups together. I'm sure many of you are residing in the hostel and then you say, madam, wo sab to possible nahi hai. So let us have something. So certainly, when I say balanced meal, doesn't mean that you have to have some 7-course meal. possibly a one dish and you can make it nutritious, right? Okay. So today, considering all these factors and all that, I have come up with a recipe which is very interesting, and I'm sure it's very mouth-watery, very easy also, because as a student, we don't really have much time for cooking and all that. But these are some of the recipes which you can actually make it in really a very minimum time available with us, right? So yes, guys, let's start with the check with the ingredients, and then we'll see how to go about the recipes. So this is Milkmaid. Milkmaid, this is the first product years ago Nestle has come up and started trading in India. So this is over more than 100 years of the product, right? So what is this product? So this is basically a sweetened condensed milk. And where we can use it? कोई बताएगा कहाँ पे use कर सकते हैं? Anybody has tried or seen the advertisement or tried somewhere? Please put it in the chat box so that at least I'll have some idea whether you have used it, you have any sweet memories with it, right? Okay, so let's check the ingredients first. This is Milkmaid. So for making this recipe, the name of the recipe is traffic lights. Yeah, I'm sure we all follow traffic rules. Okay, so 1 tin of Milkmaid, 200 grams crushed biscuits. I'm sure, as a teenager, as a student, many a times we feel that, oh, something is bugging us so badly. So ऐसा कभी भी mood हो ना, so just take a biscuit का packet. पूरा गुस्सा उस पर निकाल दो. And so basically you just have to crush the biscuit. So don't put it in a mixture, just crush it a bit coarsely. Then 6 tablespoons of cocoa powder. This is a darker variety. 100 grams of butter. And some candied fruits for the garnishing purpose. Because see, I'm sure whenever we go out, they just don't serve anything from the kitchen, right? No, they do a proper plating, and that is why we always miss the food which is prepared outside. So why can't we have something, a basic healthy dish, and possibly we can serve it like how the hotel people are serving, right? So let's get started. So what I'll do is, I'll just take 100 grams of butter in a pan. Students, just to tell you that I have not switched on the flame so far. I'm just mixing all the ingredients. 100 grams of butter, 1 tin of Milkmaid. Can you see that? It's so easy to open, And oh my God, it's lovely. How many of you like sweet? मीठा खाना कितने लोगों को पसंद है? I'm sure बहुत लोगों को पसंद रहेगा. So please, आपकी sweet stories मुझे भी बताइए. क्या क्या पसंद करते हैं आप खाने में? मीठा क्या खाते हो? I'm sure, especially in Gujarat, I have seen the tendency कि खाने के बाद कुछ मीठा खाना पड़ता है. अगर आपके साथ भी ऐसा कुछ है तो please share your experience with us. I'll be more than happy to hear. Okay, so what I'll do is Milkmaid or butter. I'll just mix these two things very nicely. I'm sure in the vacation time, you all have tried many recipes. Yes? If yes, please put it in the chat box. आपने क्या बनाया? What is the experience? Friends के लिए बनाया, मम्मी के लिए बनाया, friends के लिए बनाया, किसके लिए बनाया? Okay? Now I'm adding 6 tablespoons of cocoa powder to it. So this is a tablespoon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, right? Okay, again I'll mix this ingredient, and I will even mix this biscuits, crushed biscuits, slowly and gradually. So students, can you see this ingredients properly? Can we just zoom in here so that students can see this properly? Yes, thank you. So what I'm doing is I'm just adding all these ingredients. Just to repeat, I have taken 1 tin of Milkmaid, that is 400 grams, 100 grams of butter, 6 tablespoons of cocoa powder, and 200 grams of unsweetened biscuits, preferable Marie biscuits, or you can use any biscuits of your choice as well, no problem. Okay, so just mix it nicely. And then I'll start my flame. Is it looking easy? Okay. Now I'll start with my flame. So let it just get heated up nicely. Meanwhile, what I'll do is, I'll just take one plate and I'll just grease this plate with the butter paper. Recipe ko set bhi karna padega na? So I'm doing this. Okay, fine. So this is ready. Our plate is ready. Let this mixture also get mixed properly. My God, I'm getting an amazing flavor of Milkmaid and cocoa powder mixture. मेरे तो मुंह में पानी आ रहा है.
I think
how
we
many of you
all are
like
having
chocolate?
the same feeling.
Yeah, thank you.
And the way how you are explaining, we are actually feeling that even I can cook really well.
Yes, I'm sure. So yes, guys, see, this is all very easy recipes, right? So for such more recipes, you can log on to www.milkmaid.in, and there you will find amazing recipes and 3 steps recipes. Yes. Sorry guys, there is some technical error and my flame has got off. Can you all see this and hear me?
Yes, yes, very properly.
Okay. Okay. I think the flame has got off. There is some problem with the electric connection. Okay, we'll try and fix it. Anyways, so what we have to do is, I have already made this mixture, right? Now what we are doing is, we are just trying to thicken it up a bit. So basically you have to cook it for another 4 to 5 minutes. And the moment it gets thickened up nicely, we just will take it out in a plate. So this is one recipe. So now, since you know the Milkmaid and the usage, you can make really wonders, I tell you. How? So since you already know that we have taken Milkmaid, we have taken butter, we have taken cocoa powder. So instead of just putting biscuits, you can actually make some nice dishes. There is something called Brigadier, which is a Mexican dish. Yes, guys, you heard it right, right? So if you want to make that recipe, that is also very easy. You can actually make it. You just need to have 1 tin of Milkmaid, 100 grams of butter, and 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Just mix it nicely. And then the moment it starts thickening the sides, just put off the flame. Just make a nice laddu out of it, or possibly a shape of cookies. Roll it with a desiccated coconut or with some chocolate beads, right? So such innovations, I'm sure you can do it. No, it's not started yet. Can we just use the other point, please? Can we shift there? Okay. So guys, what is your experience, Ankit? Can we have something from the chat box?
Yeah, for sure. We are having a lot many students replying to your questions that where Milkmaid is used. So we have some answers that yes, we can use it for all different sweets that we are making at our home. Then for making desserts and all, and some sweet
Okay.
products. As you know, we Gujaratis are very much fond of sweets. So
Yes.
yeah, definitely we are having this thing. Yeah, one question that we are having from Mr. Shirish is that how many days we can store this recipe with us?
Okay. So see, basically, yeah. Oh, thank you. So flame has started again. Okay, so just to answer you, so all the preparations, whatever you make it home, so try and consume it within a week's time. If the temperature is maintained properly, you can use it for 10 days as well. But if you have made it right away, you can just try and store it below 30 degrees of temperature. If temperature goes really, I mean, outside temperature is really high, you can keep it in the refrigerator and store it, no problem.
So I think we are having some viewers who are saying that definitely I should start cooking now.
All right. And see, very frankly, no, I'm sure during this lockdown, I have seen lot many people have tried their hands in the cooking. How many of you are such budding chefs? I really would like to know that they have not done cooking before that, but after COVID and after the during the lockdown, they have tried amazing recipes. Ankit, I'm sure you are also one of them.
Yes, yes, I am. I
Okay.
definitely I helped my mom and my wife both over there at my
Okay.
home, because we people are like fond of sweets and everything. So we every day are having something new to cook, whether it
Right.
is a donut or a cake or cookies or something like that. So
I'm
definitely
sure.
all the people, those who are working actually, they definitely tried a lot over there at home. And
Yes.
definitely if I talk about meals, yeah, definitely we
True,
we
true,
too
true.
helped a lot over there in kitchen, and we also found that yeah, it is not that easy, but definitely if you are doing it for your people and with that
Yes.
extent key, yes, this is something which you are learning out from, so it will
Actually,
come out with a
actually.
very good outcome. So
Very true, very true. So, guys, just to share with you, cooking is actually a real good stress buster. So, जैसे अगर आपने पढ़ाई खत्म कर ली and then you feel कि, I just want to elevate my mood, so try something with cooking. And the way things are happening, you can just go to any site and see lot many recipes. And I'm sure even these ingredients are so readily available कि आपने सोचा कि आज कुछ बनाना है and you can actually make it. So very frankly, cooking is no more a rocket science.
true.
Yeah. So can you see it is slow, nicely, it is moving, and it's, oh my God, my entire mouth is full of water. I just cannot resist the flavor. It's yummy. It's really yummy. बहुत प्यारी सी खुशबू आ रही है. And yes, we are done with the cooking. And now I'm just switching off the flame. Just one more minute and I'll just switch off the flame. Have you, any one of you have tried something with chocolate? How many of you like chocolate? Especially a darker one. Please put it in your chat box.
So I have one of the participants who is saying that she and her brother started a cookie page, and we are making cookies and brownies and cakes and all the desserts.
I
That's
see.
great. Then we have another viewer who is saying that they made biscuit cakes
Okay.
for their friends' birthdays. So that's
I
great.
see.
And
That's
this is
interesting.
interesting. This is interesting. We have one person whose name is Vasant. He's saying
Okay.
that he has burnt a pan as well. So that's a good learning.
Very true. Very true. Great, guys. Great. Great. So, can you see that I have already tried and, take out the final product, and I'm just trying to cool it slightly. So it will take around 10 to 15 minutes for cooling, and then we'll plate it, right? So can you just see this, how beautifully it has come out? Yeah, okay. So now, fine. So before we do plating, let us understand what is the understanding of you about breakfast. How many of you really enjoy having breakfast? Can I have some quick comments on breakfast? What are the ideas? क्या बना सकते हैं quickly for the breakfast? And very frankly, how many of you have good breakfast today? क्या खाया आपने सुबह सुबह आज? Please बताइए मुझे.
So
So
yeah,
this
we
is,
are
I think,
getting
clear.
so many replies that we have one person, Ali Sagar, who is saying that I only make eggs and pancakes for the
Okay, good.
breakfast. Then we have Preet Patel, who is saying that bhakri is one of the good breakfast that he's having.
Okay,
We have some people who are having Maggie and coffee in breakfast. Yeah,
I see.
yeah,
That's
and
interesting.
yeah, actually, and banana with peanut butter milkshake is one of the answer.
Okay.
Chapati and chai, definitely. We are Indians, and definitely this is also one of the
So we
breakfast that
can't
we
go
have.
without chapatis, yeah? So any form of chapati,
Specifically,
whether it
North
is
Indians.
bhakri or
Yes.
theplas and all sorts of things, yeah? Okay, so that is good. So guys, just try and understand that you cannot miss out on breakfast. Breakfast is such an important part of daily start. And it is said that if you have a good breakfast, your entire day, the energy level will really go real. I mean, it will actually give you a good benefit if you have a good breakfast. So try and consume good amount of protein, carbohydrate, fat, minerals, fruits and vegetables. एक ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं ना, you can include one fruit in a breakfast. So possibly somebody said banana shake with peanut butter, right? You can have bhakri and have some banana along with it. You can have some papaya along with it, right? You can even incorporate some curd. उसके साथ थोड़ा सा दही डाल के you can make some nice smoothie out of it. So just try and have all the food groups in one particular menu, whether it is a breakfast, lunch, dinner, or mid-meal, right? Okay. So with that same idea, when I say fruits and vegetables, fruits and vegetables, you should actually try and consume it as much as possible. So today, I have come up with another recipe जिसमें बहुत सारे vegetables with the colors. So I'm sure we all understand कि जितना colorful खाएंगे उतना ज़्यादा nutritious है, and जितना nutritious खाना खाएंगे उतना ज़्यादा immunity बढ़ेगा, and जितना immunity होगा उतना you'll be strong and you'll be able to fight COVID, isn't it? Okay. So this is another recipe. The name of the recipe, it's again a continental recipe because I'm sure youth, they really love chocolates and continental stuff, right? Please share your inputs. What sort of food do you prefer? Gujarati, continental, or what? Right? Please share your comments. Okay. So the recipe which we're going to prepare, the name of the recipe is ginger soy honey noodles. Sounding good? Okay, let's check the ingredients. When I say ginger, so of course the first ingredient has to be ginger. So ginger को अच्छी तरह से grate किया हुआ है. So around 1 tablespoon of ginger. Then I say soy. So 2 spoons of soy sauce. Ginger, soy, honey. Yes, friends, this is honey. Some lemon juice. Salt and pepper as per taste. And the important ingredient, onions. So I have taken green, green onions. I have taken the white part also and the green part also. Trust me, if you are making this recipe, please don't avoid this ingredient because जो flavor आता है ना वो इससे बहुत बेहतरीन आएगा, right? So this is spring onion and my favorite, bell peppers. You can see green, red, yellow. Try incorporate any colors, as many colors as possible. So basically क्या होगा ना, when you cooking is something which is basically a art. So आप when you say art का अगर art सुनते हो तो basically दिमाग में आता है painting, colors. So your food has to have a different colors. Don't make something which is a pale colors. Because I'm sure एक दिन खाएंगे, 2 दिन खाएंगे, then you feel it's a medicine. I cannot have such thing, right? So please try and incorporate as many colors in your food as possible. Okay? And the main ingredient is my favorite, and I'm sure you all love your favorite Maggi masala noodles, right? So what we have to do is we just have to take 1 pack of Maggi masala noodles and we have to cook as per pack instructions. Now, when I say as per pack instruction, it's simply 1.5 cup of water. Take out the taste maker, just mix it, mix noodles. It's like a cake. उसको 4 टुकड़ा कर दो and just cook it for 2 minutes. Don't overcook it. वो खिचड़ी बन जाएगा. And I'm sure we Gujaratis, we don't want to use our sticks. वो पूरा सा ना खिचड़ी बना के खाते, even be it noodles, be it pasta. So please don't do that. Yeah. Okay. So noodles. Okay. So let's get started with the cooking. Okay. Can we just help me with the which? Okay. Thank you. Okay. Oil. So we'll take 1 tablespoon of oil in this. Let this oil get heated up nicely. So, you know, since you have not started cooking, students, so try and use all the ghee, oil with the spoons, with the measures at least, so that at least you will have idea कि मुझे कितना तेल खाना चाहिए, कितना नहीं खाना चाहिए, right? Okay. So my oil is almost heated up. Now what I'll do is I'm using ginger. Ginger खाना भी बहुत अच्छा रहता है for immunity. Yeah. So try and incorporate ginger in your recipes. Ginger, then green onions. I'm just preserving few for my garnishing purpose. So just roast these 2 ingredients very nicely. Can we just zoom in here, please? Students, can you see this? Okay, so I'm just roasting green onions and ginger for around 1 to 2 minutes. Okay, then I'm putting all the peppers, red, green, yellow, preserving few for my garnishing. And yellow. Okay, just again mix it. My God, such a beautiful colors, huh? Students, how many of you enjoy international cuisine? Since this is a continental dish, आप में से कितने लोग ऐसे हैं जो रेगुलर बेल पेपर्स यूज करते हो? यू नो बेल पेपर नॉर्मली आपको लगता है दिखने में तो बहुत अच्छा ही है, बट इट हैज गॉट अ रियल गुड सोर्स ऑफ विटामिन सी. हमें लगता है सिर्फ नींबू ही विटामिन सी देता है, राइट? सो ट्राई एंड इनकॉर्पोरेट दिस बेल पेपर्स इन डेली कुकिंग, डेली मील. वाओ, यू नो ये बेल पेपर्स ना, उसको थोड़ा सा टेंडर रखना है. व्हेन आई से टेंडर, इट्स लाइक बहुत पका नहीं देना है उसको. यू इट हैज टू बी लाइक, आप प्रेस करोगे तो थोड़ा सा सिर्फ स्प्लैश होना चाहिए, राइट? ओके, सो टेंडर कुकिंग इज रिक्वायर्ड फॉर दिस. उसको थोड़ा सा, मतलब आप बोल सकते हो उसको बहुत ज्यादा नहीं पकाना है. ओके, नाउ what I'll do is I'll just quickly add the other soft ingredients. So I am putting some soy sauce. Okay, some soy sauce, then honey, then I am using some lemon juice, and at the last some salt and pepper. Okay, now I just need to mix it properly so that I'll make a nice sauce out of it. So this is going to be an oriental sauce. So just increasing the temperature a bit. So let this mixture get mixed properly, and then I'm going to put some water. Can I have some water, please? Wow. Trust me, if you will make this recipe, now you will never go out for any continental or Chinese dish. It is so easy and tasty, I tell you. I'm just putting some water to this. Okay. Sauce बनाया ना, sauce में थोड़ा सा पानी तो पड़ेगा. So almost a half cup of water. Okay. Now let it come to a small boil around 1 or 2 minutes. Wow. The sauce has come out so nice. Can you see the colors?
It actually looks great.
Yeah.
Yes, Tejal ma'am, we have one question from one of our viewers that is this honey compulsory to add in this recipe?
Yes, because this is a continental sauce, and if you put soya, if you put lemon, so you know there has to have some sweetness. Otherwise, it will not give you a nice taste. So trust me, it will not be a sweet as in sweet. मीठा नहीं बनेगा ये. Okay, my sauce is ready. Now what I'll do is I'll just add this Maggi noodles. Masala Maggi noodles. Okay, I'll just toss this thing. अच्छी तरह से टॉस कर लेंगे. And the dish is about to be done. So, you know, students, when you start cooking, I would like to give you a few tips. As in, you know, don't overcook fruits and vegetables. Try and consume it raw if possible. Whenever you start cooking, just do one thing. Just manage all the ingredients in one plate. So that because you don't have an experience, right? So you will not miss out on an ingredient part. Because see, many times it happens, हाँ मैंने recipe तो देखा था, but then I forgot, oh shit, इसमें honey भी लगता है, you know? So try and see the ingredients first. Just take out a tray, उसमें सारे ingredients measure करके रख लीजिए and then start preparing. So basically then only you will be able to enjoy the cooking. Okay. वापस मुझे तो बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल कलर्स लग रहे हैं एंड इट्स सो यमी. स्टूडेंट्स, व्हाट इज योर व्यू ऑन दिस रेसिपी? आई एम जस्ट स्विचिंग ऑफ द फ्लेम and I'm just taking out this thing in a nice plate, because as I said, the plating has to be really nice, you know. So I'm just taking it out in a bowl. Okay, so nice and yummy. If you want some more spiciness, you can add some green chilies and put some more pepper powder as well. Okay, now I'll do my garnishing. So I have got some green onions chopped. Okay, I'm putting that and a nice bell peppers. Wow, it's simply wow. Okay, can we just have a zoom here? Okay. Students, please share your comments. How do you like this recipe? Ginger soy honey noodles. My God, I tell you, मेरे तो मुंह में पानी आ रहा है after having a good breakfast. Huh?
I think we all have the same feeling.
Great. So just if you want to have such more savory dishes, you can log in to www.maggi.in for such more amazing recipes. And students, I'll tell you, see, those are easy recipes. At the same time, for example, if you want to know pav bhaji, you just jot down, go to www.maggi.in, write pav bhaji. Even you have pav bhaji with twist. तो कभी हम लोगों ने सोचा नहीं होगा कि पाव भाजी ऐसे भी कुछ बनता है, you know. So you have amazing recipes, some easy 3 steps recipe which even a beginner can make. So even if you don't have any knowledge about cooking, no worries. We have all the things ready for you. So you just need to go to www.milkme.in for more such desserts recipe, and for more savory dishes, you can go to www.maggi.in. I think the first recipe which we have made, it's nicely set, and now let's see how we can garnish it. Can we see this? Oh, let me just take out this and students, can you see both the recipes? What is the feeling?
It seems that now you really would make me a gourmet. I have no other options to say about anything.
Yeah. So basically, what you can do is, I'm sure we all follow traffic rules, huh? So that is the first condition. So now what you can do is, you can just in a one single, you can cut it round, you can cut it rectangle, and just serve it as in 3 colors, you know, a bar which has 3 lights. So guys, this is a traffic light for you. I'm sure you will make this recipe, and you can actually give it to your friends. You can gift it to somebody, right? So this is a traffic light for you, and a ginger soy honey noodles. If you have any questions, any doubts, you have a chat box. You can certainly ask. We are here to solve all your questions, all your queries. Any questions, students?
So it's a request to all the viewers that if you have any questions, please feel free to keep it in this chat box so that we can definitely answer those questions.
Let me also see if I can help them out with something. Okay, Ankit, I think students and all the viewers have enjoyed this program. Thank you very much for being a part of this. It's again a request. Yes, please cook at home. Try and use minimum ingredients as possible. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you very much.
Thanks a lot, Tejal ma'am, for demonstrating this 2 very good recipes that definitely any one of us can make at home and can enjoy with the whole family and friends and whatever we have with us. So with this, I would like to extend my regards and a very big thank you to the whole Nestle team, and especially Tejal ma'am, for demonstrating these recipes and coming live for all our students and faculties to learn easy peasy recipes, which will definitely get out a very good nutritional base for all the viewers of this particular session. With this, for all the viewers also, we have one very important announcement that we at Parul University, along with Nestle, are planning two different competitions for which the details have already shared on all the social media pages of Parul University. And I think you have received also in your email or chat box or everywhere. So I would definitely like to request all the viewers, those who are having interest in cooking and sharing their own ideas related to how you can make a recipe, a good nutritional based type recipe, who can have this interest to go ahead with this, can definitely participate, and we would be coming back to you with all the details further once you register for the same. Thanks a lot,
Right.
everyone. Thank you very much, Tejal ma'am, for
Thank you.
demonstrating the recipes. Definitely it would help us all in creating some more recipes and getting out with something initiative or
True.
innovative thing that will help us all in
Yes.
enjoying and having a nutritional based type recipe both. Thanks a lot, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you, guys. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you so much.
Thanks a lot. Thank you very much. Thank you
Thank you.
all the viewers for joining. We'll catch up soon. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, Ankit.
Yeah, please take care, everyone.